Hi. I had some trouble with the pressure washer here. It was really hard to pull the rope out, like the compression was fighting you. So you take the spark plug out and it pulls over just fine. So the problem wasn't just valve clearance. It was once you pop this cover off, which is silicone down, so you got to break the silicone the first time. This is your exhaust rocker. And when I first grabbed it, it was super loose. And the reason for that is the pin it pivots on right here. I had to add these two washers because this pin has a notch on it. See that notch? It looks like a factory notch, but that notch is right where the rocker rides on this side. Can't see very well. So the rocker there, it falls into the notch when this pin is inserted, and then it just moves all over the place, way too sloppy. So I add the two washers, and it stops the pin from going all the way in, and then it just rides on the full diameter part of the pin here at the end. So I'll show you. Okay, so I put the pin back in with no washers, all the way in. You see how it lines up with that notch? I'm turning the pin right now. And look how loose it gets. And if you pull the pin out just a little bit, like that, so it sits on the fat part of the pin, it's nice and tight, and you can set your valve clearances properly, which is 2 millimeters for the exhaust side, 1.5 millimeters for the intake side.